Tarun Katyal, who is the CEO of Reliance Broadcast Network, joins us on the show to discuss the earnings and the prospects of the business going forward. Tarun, it's great to have you in the show. Run us through the highlights of this quarter. When will you turn profitable, and how's the quarter shaped up for you?
So really very good quarter for us. It's our highest ever quarter. Consolidated income of about 83 crores. Our radio operations continue to stay profitable like before, and a good number at that. We've also grown year on year on most of our businesses. If you look at our TV production business, it grew about 60%. Out of home grew 67%. Radio closed at almost 50 crores of income this quarter. So a good quarter overall. I would say the TV business, which is our really new business in that sense, is doing very well on the ratings, which is now starting to reflect on the revenue. The TV business itself grew over 100%, quarter on quarter on the revenues. If you look at both Big CBS and Big Magic, they've consolidated their position in their relevant target audiences and demographic as well as geographic segments with their ratings.
Since you're talking about the TV business, Tarun, good morning, Neeraj here. Since you're talking about the TV business, what's the revenue growth been like from the general entertainment channels?
So the English GECs grew over 100%, and the TV business at an overall level is at a modest 6 crore for this quarter. What we're looking for is we're looking forward to digitization, which will actually change the complexion of his business. What digitization will do is bring in transparency onto our subscription revenue. Also, it will do away with a significant portion of our cost line on carriage. What the other thing we are doing with our TV business is taking it international, which is based on subscription. So we've already launched Sri Lanka, and we aim to launch the CBS network in large parts of the SAARC region, and we aim to launch Magic across the world wherever the Hindi diaspora is available.
All right, Tarun, let's focus on outdoor and experimental marketing. What kind of growth are you seeing in these segments, and what is the segmental revenue contribution from each of these? Could you perhaps outline that for the future as well? Will it remain the same over the next 2 quarters? Are we going to be looking at some sort of a revenue shift, so to speak, from the key contributors to the top line?
So the outdoor business has actually seen a significant growth of 67% year on year, and even at the trailing quarter, it's shown very good growth numbers. What we are seeing in our outdoor business is that the new inventories that we took in the Delhi metro region are now starting to turn profitable on a project by project and inventory by inventory basis. That is extremely encouraging for us. The offtake on outdoor has actually been fairly significant because we are in a researched, measured out-of-home media platform rather than some of the other standard billboard kind of formats. So we are hoping that the outdoor business will turn itself around very, very quickly.
How much, Tarun, how much in terms of money do you plan to raise to fund your TV and the radio businesses? Because these are difficult times. And if you're looking to raise money, what's the route that you're looking at? And what stage are the funding plans at the current point of time?
So we are actually fairly good numbers on the EBITDA level from the radio business. So we are not in immediate need of cash. It can, easily, with a combination of our internal accruals as well as debt, we can fund our TV business going forward.
Give us also a sense then on the kind of focus that you have on launching new channels. You were focusing to launch about 2 to 3 new channels in the regional space. What progress have you made on that front?
So we've got 2 channels in the regional space now. One, which is Big Magic, which is doing exceedingly well in UP, MP, Bihar. We've done some very marquee shows in that. One which is called Hasya Panchayat with Surendra Sharma. The other one, Big Bal Kalakar, and we have plans to launch 2 more very soon. And the other one being Spark Punjabi, which is the first internationally dubbed channel in Punjabi, which is from the Big CBS stable.
Tarun, how many gross subscribers do you have at present? And do you have an internal target of how many would this reach to by, say, maybe end FY12?
So really, the subscriber numbers will start to show up very significantly after DAS happens. And we are seeing that Bombay, Delhi, Chennai and Calcutta are rapidly moving towards that. We're also in close conversations with most of the DTH as well as digital cable networks to be able to build a bundle with them, and we're keenly watching this space.
Okay, then Tarun, before we let you go, as always, could you kind of lay out a guidance on what you would propose to do in terms of sales and profits in the coming quarters, even from a financial year perspective?
So yes, we are hoping that we will maintain the trajectory. Radio revenues will move up organically, and television revenues will move up significantly and exponentially as the channels start to stabilize. Outdoor has already been seeing some good jumps, and we're hoping to turn the corner on that quickly.